Let's start. Very good afternoon, all of you. Today we'll discuss how we'll create the AWS account. The reason behind that, it took 48 hours to activate the account. So for that reason, today we will create the account. Tomorrow is the last session for the DSY student, and day after tomorrow we will start the lectures. Okay, lectures on AWS. For that reason, we required a AWS account, and for AWS account, we required some prerequisite things. We'll discuss about that, and after that, we'll create. Yeah. Yeah. So we need to create AWS account. So for that, first of all, we required a email ID as our own email ID. After that, we required a debit or credit card. Credit card. Okay. So in that case, 2 rupees or maybe 5 rupees deducted on your account, and after that, after 2 days, it will be credited again on your account. Okay. So for that reason, we require that, and also we required. Let's check that. So don't be required. We need to mention. We will activate the account for the student section. Okay, so I will specify the link. I will do that. So for that, just for that we require the email ID. We need to create that. So just go to the open the Google, and after that AWS console login. AWS console login. Hit enter. So this one is the first website, https console.aws.amazon.com. Okay, carefully check these steps. It took some time. Okay, do not miss any step. Click on the first. And after that, here in the bottom, we'll create our own account, create new account. Okay, click on that. But for that, we require an email address. So right now, I don't have any email address. So I will create one more. Email. Required one Gmail ID. I will create myself. For email. So if we have already one account, so there is no need to create a new account. Actually, I have used all the accounts, so that's why I created a new account, new Gmail account. Account is created, Gmail account. After here, we need to enter your name. Just check out whether your account is created. Yes, successfully we created account, and the username is Arvind Zadav aws@gmail.com. Just email ID, enter the password. In that password section, you need to specify the alphabet. Okay, small alphabet, alphabet, and number with special symbol. Example like एक example आपका नाम हो सकता है like that. So sorry, for example, Ramesh @12345, like that stuff. You need to specify the password. Okay, here I will create the password. Here we get the message: uppercase letter, lowercase matter, numbers, and non-alphanumeric character. That means special characters. Account name. Need to specify the account name. Okay, so this is the basic details we need to fill. So click on the continue. Now here we'll ask it is used for which reason, whether it is business purpose or personal purpose. So make a note of that. Click on personal purpose. On the name, full name, number. Select the region. Here select India. Just put address as Aurangabad or your district address only. Anything. Specify the state, Maharashtra. The postal code 431002. And click on that. I read and agree the terms and condition of AWS customer. So make a note of that. Click on personal only, because we need to use a free tier. Okay, so for that free tier, we'll get some 1 month subscription free basis. So we'll select that, and daily 1 month we will get EC2 instance, lower range EC2 instance. So there is no need to pay the extra amount for that. Click on the next. Here we need to card detail. Your card must be a Visa, credit card, and that. So you need to enter the card details. Okay. So I will unshare my screen. 1 minute. Check my card. Done. So enter your card details.
सर रुपे कार्ड चालन का?
रुपे कार्ड नाही चालत त्याला, व्हिसा कार्डच लागतं. आणि जर कोणाचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर लेट मी नो, वी विल फाइंड सम अनदर सोल्युशन. वी विल क्रिएट द IMA ऍक्सेस रोल. सो जस्ट 2 जणांचं आपण 2 दिवस वेट करू किती जणांचे अकाउंट क्रिएट होते, आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट विल क्रिएट द IMA रोल. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दॅट. जर कोणाचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर आपण त्याच्यासाठी सोल्युशन काढू शकतो. We need to fill the detail like that. And after your billing address as it is, here is the question: do you have a PAN card? So click on the no. I don't have any PAN card because I'm a student. So ऐसे करने के लिए आपको यहाँ no पे ही click करना है. Do not select yes. If you have own PAN card, तरी तुम्ही select नका करू. Just click on the no. Okay. I don't have any PAN card. Click on the continue. Okay, so it will deducted only 2 rupees and after few days ये आपसे रिमूव भी हो जाएगा, मतलब रिक्रेडिट हो जाएगा. Enter your code and click on the submit. That is 2 rupees deducted from your account. Yeah. So next section ये थोड़ा सा carefully करना है. So sign up for AWS account. So in that section you need to click on text message. After that select India code +91. +91 enter your number. Enter captcha A8EM6W and send SMS. Click on that. You will get one verification code on your mobile. I didn't get any code. Just we need to wait for a few seconds. Let me check my another number. There's a network issue, so right now I didn't get any message. We'll check on email whether I get the code. See, thank you for Amazon for next 12 months. We'll access the computer storage database application and visit to free tire. I didn't get any. Okay, you can use a text message. If you didn't get a text message, then choose voice call option. So I will check voice call option. To you, Aniket, am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So there's a network issue. See, I choose the voice option. In that section, they called me and they give unique PIN number. So we need to enter from mobile, and after that we will get this page. So in that section, click on the basic support free section. Do not pay anything. Okay, these are the business accounts. Just we will say select the basic support free. In that we will get the 24 by 7 self service access by AWS resources, limited resources, and we will perform operation on that limited resources. Okay, so for account and billing issue only, access personal and health dashboard, trust advisor. Okay, so just select the basic support free section. Okay, complete sign up. Now you successfully registered for that, and we need to wait for 48 hours. So that's why today itself you need to create the account. Okay, so go to the AWS management console. Now after that, here you need to select your role. Okay, in that section you need to select role. So here we need to add academic and researchers, and I'm interested in big data, AI and machine learning and big data. Okay, so either you can choose AI, either you can choose big data. Just click on that and click on submit. So your account is successfully created. Let's log in by using that sign in AWS console. This is the user page. Okay, either we can click on that page or just go to the Google and type AWS console login. So you can choose anyone. After that, here we need to enter the username. On that, password, enter captcha, submit. It will ask for the password. It will ask for the password. That password जो आपने दिया है, upper case, smaller case, and special symbol. After that, we can log in into the AWS system. So these are the resources where we can use. So here are the list of services provided by the AWS. These are the bunch of services. For compute, they are provided a bunch of services. For custom established, machine learning, front-end web developer, AR, application irrigation, storage, database, all the services they can provide. So among that, we need to learn 7 to 8 services. Okay, they are majorly used, and it is a basic services. So just we need to, after a successful login, we need to click on the billing section. Okay, and check whether your credit card is used for a debit or credit is used for auto debit. So click on the billing. Yeah, click on that. So right now $0 billing is there. So there's no need to add that. Okay. After that, credits, click on that credits. No issue, order invoice. So no issue. Okay, so just click on that EC2 instance and check whether your EC2 instance is working. Right now, it took 48 hours to activate your account, 24 hours to 48 hours. So after successfully completion of account, log in into the system and click on the see. you must sign up for the Amazon EC2 before you can use Amazon EC2 console. So this one is a quick guide. So right now it took 48 hours to verify your account, 24 hours to 48 hours. So today itself create your own account. Today we will tomorrow, from day after tomorrow, we'll learn from the networking related issues. So for that reason, we require after 48 hours, we require a EC2 instance login, or we require a AWS login. So for that reason, everyone must create their own accounts. If you have any query related to that account, just ping me, message me, I will reply on that. Okay, so this is the way by using that we can create the AWS account. So right now it's showing that it must sign up for Amazon EC2 instance before you can use. So we successfully created account, but we are not registered for the EC2 instance. So this is the basic service. So it took 24 hours to 48 hours. After that, this message will be gone, and you can able to access the EC2 instance. Okay, so this is the way by using that we can create the account. So if you have any query related to that account, I will share this video after one and a half hour. So by using watch this video, and by using that you can able to create your own account. You have only 48 hours to create the account. So do it today only. And those who are not present in today's lectures, so ask them to create the account also, because account is mandatory to do the practice. Without account, we cannot do able to do the practice. So in that section, we can learn about the EC2 instance. Okay. So after that storage section, we can learn about S3 and EFS services and S3 Glacier in storage section. In database, we cannot able to perform, but if you want to, then I will perform some operation on the database also. Networking, we can perform the VPC related task. This is the last task of the AWS, and it's quite harder as compared to the others. And in the security, we can learn about the IAMA, Identity Access Management Rule. So we'll discuss about that, and it's most useful. For security, yeah. And for security, we can learn about the CloudWatch also. For monitoring purpose, we can learn about the CloudWatch also. Okay. So S3, there are different chapters. In the market or in the corporate area, separate work will be allocated. For example, you are a S3 related task, so you will get only S3 task. If you are EC2 related task, if you have, then you can get only EC2 related task. So depending on the task, you will get the job. Okay, but at least we need to understand 7 to 8 services among this bunch of services. Okay, so these are the bunch of services. We need to understand few of them, so you can able to apply for the jobs also. So these are the main sections: S3, IMA, VPC, EVFS, these EC2. These are the main sections of the AWS account. So after successful login, you can log out from the system. So you can sign out. Click on the sign out, and you can able to successful login into the system. Okay, now wait for 48 hours and your account will be activated. Okay, so this is overall about today's session. So you need to create